You're growing so fast, Bob. Mom and Daddy can hardly believe it. You're learning something new every day. You used to not know how to bring your hands to your mouth. Now you're getting pretty good at it. Yummy. And earlier, you were holding the plastic ring. I'm not sure it's on purpose, but you're holding it. Now you're cooing a lot. Talking baby talk. Sleeping better at night. We're really proud of you. You love to just observe. At night, you get mad at us when we just sit down with you. You want us to walk you around the whole house. You love it when I take you to go grocery shopping. Look, you're starting to drool now, too. It'll be time for a bib soon.